It's very easy to make something in CAD and say, well, this looks nice. But it's very easy to also forget that somebody has to actually make that. Hey, my name is Ben Weir. I'm a mechanical engineer at JAKTOOL. I am a bit of a CAD monkey, so I love to design things that don't exist. I kind of like to think of myself a bit of an inventor. I think one of the things I enjoy the most is being given a problem that doesn't have a solution. To me, it's just like a puzzle. One of the things I was working on today was a project called Battery Remover. I did a lot of testing, iterative design, 3D printing parts, fitting them onto the actual machine components. And now we're at the point where parts are coming in through the door, and honestly, this is the best part of any project for me. And I think having people in this building that know how to machine things well is a very invaluable tool that we all have access to. Seeing the CAD that I had on my screen, having the real parts come in and holding them and putting them together, it's very rewarding. I had to break halfway through the day for a tour. We had some students from NJIT come in. They toured the facility, they got to see the machine shop. So I'm just walking them through the process that I went through in this project. But the idea of this is you put the device here, this is the first action, the user winds this. It's really simple. You can't really see it in here, but there's just a bunch of like more of these gears. One of the problems that I've faced a lot in my particular role in the project I've worked on is a lot of the time we don't know what the solution is, and we have to take like a best guess at what we think will fix the problem. There is a point where you have to be like, okay, I only know with 90% confidence that this will fix the problem, and there's a 10% chance that I'll do it and it won't work. Collaboration is a big part of the process. It can be easy to kind of get tunnel vision and forget other ideas. Even in projects that are more limited to just me doing a task, there's always going to be areas of brainstorming and peer review. I think the thing that I love the most at the end of the day is the collaborative, creative work that I get to do here. And it's never the same from one month to the next.